Get into a comfortable position. Now take a deep breath in, filling your lungs, and breathe out. All of the breathing throughout this exercise will be in through the nose and out through the nose. We'll begin by doing peace breathing for early labor. You'll breathe in to the count of 4 and out to the count of 7. Starting now, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now breathing on your own, counting in to 4 and out to 7. Continue to breathe deeply and easily through your nose. Begin now. And now breathing at your own pace, without counting, continue to breathe deeply, slowly, and easily through your nose and out through your nose as we continue. Allow relaxation to drift down across your face, around your mouth, and into your jaw. And now feel the relaxation drift in and around the muscles in your shoulders and around your neck. Let your shoulders sink into the frame of your body. And now relaxation drifts down your upper arms and into your elbows, down your lower arms, and now into your hands, and all the way down to the tips of your fingers. You begin to feel heaviness in your arms and hands as they completely relax. Now this wonderful feeling of relaxation flows through your upper body to your stomach, to your lower back, and now into your upper legs. Relaxation now to your knees and behind your knees. And the sensation continues down your lower legs to your ankles, to your feet, and all the way down to the tips of your toes. Relaxation washing throughout your entire body. Scan your body once more for any signs of stress or tension. Take a deep, Slow breath in and out, and let all tension go. Enjoy the comfort and peace of your breathing. Deep, slow, easy, rhythmic, and calm. You feel peace in your mind and your body. And now I'd like you to visualize yourself in your mind's eye on a beautiful, pristine beach where you're all alone, enjoying the beautiful, sunny, warm weather. You're walking slowly, barefoot, and notice it's a pleasant, beautiful day, not too hot, with a light, cool breeze. You feel the sun warming your skin. You hear the waves gently lapping on the sand. Although you're alone on the beach, you feel completely calm and safe. And you feel the grains of sand on your feet as you walk. You walk closer to the water along the shore where it meets the sand. The sand feels soft and cool now. You allow all tension in your body to melt away as you walk along this beautiful beach. All cares and worries of your day also melting away. The waves of the sea ebb and flow on the shore, and so do all of your worries and tiredness and stress ebb and flow away. You feel completely serene and calm. As a wave comes to shore, you look down and you see a bottle by your feet. You stop, reach down and pick up the bottle, and as you hold it in your hand, you notice it's been sealed with a cork, and there's a note inside. You loosen the cork, and you reach in with your fingers to pull out the piece of paper. You unfold the paper and read. If you're reading these words, know that you're receiving this message at the right time. Know that your baby is so very special, and the birth of your baby will be calm, peaceful, and comfortable. You smile, feeling thankful that you found this bottle with this beautiful note inside. You feel another pregnant mom or her partner should discover this bottle. So you fold the note and place it back into the bottle, and you reseal the bottle with the cork. You reach back, and then with your best throw, you throw the bottle back into the water. You stare at the bottle as it drifts out to sea, feeling calm, at peace, and confident in your ability to birth your baby in a calm, peaceful, and comfortable way. You turn and begin your slow walk along the beach once more. When you're ready, take a deep breath exhale and open your eyes.